easy installation with cutouts. Blue is water inlet. Red is water outlet. Connect the two water pipes and tighten. Comes with a 1-meter long wire. Tighten the wires according to the installation instructions. After installation, you can enjoy your new hot water experience.